Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. As accounting professionals work on their business, there are opportunities and fears, challenges that may arise that they need to address as they're working on their companies. And to help with this, we actually have a model that is very crucial to your success. And it's this universal business model. It's literally here that we focus on three key areas of the business to work towards having the profit and getting paid what you are worth. We also refer to this as mapping your business. And in this process, what I want to do is introduce you to three very important questions that you need to be asking yourself to literally determine what is the next best course of action for you to work on your company. The first question I'd like to pose is, are you in a position where you could take on, would you like more clients? If that's the case, then you're obviously in a marketing strategy and you need to actually get out there and find more clients. In fact, I'd even go so far as to say nothing happens until you make a sale, regardless of how good of an accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer you are. Without paying clients, it doesn't matter. The second thing is what are the services you're offering? Or in other words, are you offering the services that you would like to? Are your clients getting the value you would expect out of your client services? And more importantly, do you feel you're bringing in the revenue you would like per client? Basically, would you like to offer additional services and get paid more? That kind of thing. For that reason, you actually have here the services that you're providing and offering, and they're defined as such things as bookkeeping services, tax services, consultative services. In that arena, basically what you're trying to do is define the services you provide and the benefits that your clients receive for having received them from you. For that reason, we look at actually offering the premier accounting services in your area, helping you become the premier accounting firm in the market. Now, with that in mind, obviously with the marketing, going out and getting paying customers and offering quality services, what we then lastly need to look at is your ability to work efficiently and do so profitably. And for that reason, we actually have these three areas here focusing on the most key important element, which is the profitability of your business. As you look at each of these areas, ask yourself, do you want more customers? Are you plenty busy that you would just like to offer more services and get paid better for the things that you're providing? Or are you merely overwhelmed and working weeknights, weekends, not having a vacation and break? And this is in fact where you need to be focusing so that you can, in managing your business, grow it with the intent of doing so profitably and efficiently. Where is your biggest opportunity or challenge? If it happens to lie here with marketing and getting clients, and then the ideal program for you is that of becoming a profit and growth expert. Here you're actually certified in the most common service that accounting professionals need to be offering, that business owners need help with, and it's cash flow management. With that in mind, you become a certified profit and growth expert, and in doing so, get trained on very, very specific sales and marketing strategies to help you go out and acquire the clients you want. It's these marketing strategies that have been proven to be effective and efficient over the last number of decades to really help you spend your money and your time where it is most effective. Now, if you're in a position where you would like to be offering more quality services, taking on more consultative type of relationships, offering more value to your clients, then it happens to be these programs associated with the services you provide. They begin initially with the professional bookkeeper program, offering quality bookkeeping services for small businesses. It's also perhaps using such as QuickBooks as the primary tool or software you're using to service your clientele. It's maybe offering tax services as a professional tax preparer. It is also then focusing on such programs as In the Black, which is a 12-month engagement that you do with clients to ensure that they're implementing 9 proven principles in their business to ensure that they're being profitable. It could be Red to Black, which is basically one of the most common challenges small businesses face is they're looking at cash flow management. This is intended to be an engagement that you can do in months, if not over a course of 3 to 4 months, generally speaking, with a client, then leading them from being Red to Black to In the Black, another 12-month engagement. Here you can also look at Profit First. Profit First is an excellent service to be providing. It helps you differentiate your services in the market as a certified professional, offering a service that I think everybody can identify with, which is obviously putting profits first. And then lastly is that of becoming a certified value builder provider. It's literally helping business owners work on their company as it is an asset and ensuring that they're actually building a business business that has worth and value equal to what they believe their company is worth. In fact, it's actually looking at the end game, beginning with the end in mind and having an exit strategy for the company. But with all that being said and done, could you be in a position where you're overwhelmed, overworked? Maybe your staff is not as efficient as it could be. Maybe you need to become more efficient. And for that reason, what we have here is a program which is referred to as the Virtual Bookkeepers Roadmap. It is literally looking at the workflow within the back office to ensure that you're efficiently doing the work that you need to for your clients. It's in that process that you literally become more and more effective using the technologies, the apps, all those types of things that are essential to help you run a well-tuned business model. Color accounting is also important because it's enabling you to communicate with your clients more effectively. One of the breakdowns that occurs in client retention is the client not seeing the true value of the reports and information that you're providing. They're not able to use that information effectively in order to make more informed, better intelligent business decisions in their business. Color accounting is enabling you to bridge that gap. Where accounting is the language of business, and that's something that you're comfortable with, especially looking at the financial reports, it's getting that information to the client in a way that they can then use it. And color accounting is that bridge, and it's intended to actually help you with client retention. So when you look at your business and you see where it is that you could actually be doing better or where the opportunity most lies, I hope you can more clearly see which program is perhaps the right program for you to implement in your business next to ensure that you're working on your company and in fact building the premier accounting firm in your area. Understand this, if it's about accounting, it is universal. And that being said, accounting success is universal. Take care, take an advantage of reaching out to Universal and seeing what you can do to work on your business. Remember this, we're here to help you. We've been doing this since 1979. If there is anyone out there that can help make a difference, we can. Give us a phone call. We look forward to speaking with you. Take care.